Hi, I'm Shouting and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing 6 brush pens that are suitable for beginner lettering and calligraphy. So keep watching if you're interested. The first option is the Pentel brush sign pen. I use this pen a lot and it's my favorite brush pen because it's really easy to use. The flexibility of the pen tip is just right, not too hard and not too soft, hence really easy to control. The size of the pen tip is relatively small compared to many other brush pens out there, so it's great for writing and bullet journaling. There are lots of colors available in various scents. The new set of colors that was launched lately is really pretty. You can check out the swatch video I did on my channel. The second option is the Tombow Fudinosuke brush pen soft tip. This one has a small pen tip as well. I think the tip is slightly softer than the Pentel brush sign pen, but it is also really easy to control. It's easy to create thick and thin lines with this pen, and it's also great for small lettering and artwork. However, it comes in black only at the time of this video, so if you are looking for more colors, this might not be the right pen for you. The third option is the Crayola Supertips. I'm not very sure if these are brush pens, so I guess I cheated a little for this one. However, these are really popular for lettering as well. The pen tips are conical shaped, so when you place the pen at different angles, you can achieve the same thick and thin lines needed for lettering. Plus, there are a lot of color options available and it's super affordable when you get them in a set. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you have not subscribed, do consider subscribing. If you're a beginner and would like to learn the basics of calligraphy, check out the link in the description box for 2 months free access to my Skillshare course. These Mouthliners are relatively newer compared to the rest of the brush pens featured in this video. As you can tell, the tips are fatter and longer than the brush pens mentioned earlier. Also, they are dual-tipped with both brush tips and fine liner tips, so it can be really useful if you intend to draw or outline with this pen. I was first attracted to them because of the unique color options. The colors are mostly very moody and muted looking, so they really stand out in terms of color choices. The fifth option is the Sharpie stained fabric marker. So I attended a brush lettering workshop and this was the pen given to us for the session. I was surprised because this is supposed to be a fabric marker, but it performs really well on paper. The brush tip is easy to control and the ink is super luscious and opaque. Because of that, you need to wait quite a bit for the ink to dry up completely. The pen tip is really durable since it's meant for fabrics and it doesn't fray easily. One downside of these markers is that the colors are pretty limited and basic. But for the quality and ease of use of these pens, I'm not complaining. The last option I'm recommending are these Lego looking pens, the Artline 6. The triangular pen structure makes it really easy to hold, and you can even stack the pens together like Lego. So it's really cool and fun. The pen tips are large compared to the rest of the brush pens mentioned, so it's great for big lettering. Just like the Sharpie marker, the ink for the outline sticks is really luscious and opaque. If you vary the amount of force you use during writing, you can create a gradient effect for your lettering. I only have a few of this, but I wouldn't mind collecting more if I see them. Also, there are many color options available, and I think they will make really fun pens for kids as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you try these pens out for yourself, comment and let me know what you think. See you in the next video.